Honorable Principal Sir, all the respected teachers of Kekewag Institute of Engineering Education and Research Nashik, and all my dear friends, myself Siddhi Bodhe. I am from Kopargaon, Ahmednagar district. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the Department of Robotics and Automation of Kekewag Institute for organizing a crash course for MHT CET exam. It is very helpful for me in a preparation of CET exam. Because of COVID-19, there was a lockdown in all over Maharashtra and it mostly affected on our studies. And I am very worried about my studies. At that time, I got the information about this crash course. So I joined this crash course and really I got excellent guidance from both the teachers, Mr. Dabhade sir and Mr. Tazanpure sir. They both taught us each and every points important for the exam and they clear all my doubts. And also the mock test and MCQ practice are very helpful for me in my preparation. All the sessions that they presented were very energetic and full of knowledge. So I especially say thank you to both the teachers for guiding us. And now I am confidently say that I am ready for the CET examination. Thank you very much.
Yes. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Isha Wak from Nasik. I am glad to get opportunity to express my thoughts about MHT CET crash course. First of all, I want to give a big thanks to whole Kekewag Education Society and our most important both Hemant sir and Ganesh. Thank you sir for taking such a great efforts for us. As you promised, you completed all syllabus of our MHT CET exam. I never met the teacher who teach all three subjects with such a good power and with outstanding explanation. Before joining the crash course, I am not confident about my chemistry and physics teacher. I thanks to all for this wonderful crash course.
Good evening to all teachers, members of Kekewag College of Engineering and all my dear friends. I am Snehal Sarunke from Nasik. Today I am here to express my gratitude towards the education program conducted by Kekewag College of Engineering Nasik. I would like to thank all the people who took the efforts to make this MHT CET crash course a success. I joined this course as a paid course in the month of June and July, where I got to revise maximum of my studies and simultaneously solve a lot of previous year questions. The Ganesh sir and Hemant Tazanpure sir taught maximum concepts in minimum time with complete perfection. I loved the way of teaching of both the teachers. Even after the paid course was over, Ganesh sir continued to teach us in the free course also. I definitely know that this all was possible only because of the support of Kekewag College principal and all the other staff members. The regularity of students in the session showed how good the teaching was. The mock test increased my confidence and the short tips and tricks given by sir are very helpful for the examination. So, as a conclusion of all this, I would like to thank Kekewag College to arrange this platform and sir to teach us with so much confidence and energy. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Tanusha. I did CET crash course conducted by Kekewag Institute of Engineering where all subjects were taught by Dr. G.B. Dabhade sir and it was actually beneficial for me. I really enjoyed the course and the format it was presented in. I thought it was well planned and laid out and it was easy for me to follow. All the lectures, PDF, mock test series are just enough so that one could finish everything about the syllabus with enough time.
Very good afternoon to all the dignitaries. Myself Jakrandi Shinde and I'm from Kalyan. Firstly, I'm very glad to be a part of this crash course. Not only because I got to know new things and learn tricks and techniques, but also I'm very glad to be under the guidance of such great teachers. The teaching staff, of course, Dabhade sir, Tazanpure sir, were very great. They taught us very nicely. And the thing which fascinated me the most was that every concept taught by them was related to the real life events. I still remember Ganesh sir taught us the difference between rotation and revolution, where he related to the solar system like the sun and earth. And I think I will never forget that in the future as well. For this, I would also like to thank the Kekewag Institute for bringing such a golden opportunity for student like me. I was totally inclined towards the preparation of my JEE mains, but and I didn't had any idea about the MHT exam. But when I get into this crash course, I thoroughly got to know the reduced portion, the paper pattern, and everything, and which was only possible because of the crash course. So I entirely thank the whole team of KK Institute for organizing such a great crash course. Thank you, teachers and everyone. Thank you all.
Hello, I'm Ketan Pawar from Nasik. I also joined the crash course from the starting. Our college sir took many lectures, but that was not much effective. But Dabade sir and Tajanpure sir took lectures with great efficiency and great interaction, which helped us to learn many views about all the lessons. I would thank them from my heart for teaching us so nicely. Thank you.
Yes sir, thank you. सर मैं अभिषेक राजपूत बिहार से। सर मेरे लिए क्रैश कोर्स बहुत ज़रूरी था क्योंकि मैं जो मुंबई के एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत न्यू था। तो सर आप लोगों ने तो 2 महीने मैंने क्रैश कोर्स किया तो मुझे बहुत कुछ समझ में आया। फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने फॉर्म अप्लाई किया था तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि कैसे एग्ज़ाम दूंगा, क्या क्वेश्चन होंगे, क्या सिलेबस होगा। बट 2 महीने जब मैंने क्रैश कोर्स किया और धाबे सर ने इतने अच्छे से पढ़ाया तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Hello friends, very warm good morning to one and all. I'm Miss Tinanik. I'm very glad to give a valuable feedback for this crash course with the help of the tricks and tips given by Ganesh sir and Dabade sir for physics, chemistry and maths. I was very helpful. Excellent sessions and free course. Thank you sir.
Good afternoon to all my dear friends and teachers, honorable, respected principal sir. Sir, your teaching is so best, very helpful and very benefit for me. Sir, thank for making good crash course because all problems are clear and covered in lectures. So great, sir. Thank you so much. Best activity for we CET students and 100% benefited. Sir, also provide MCQ and lessons which you have completed. It will help for more in CET. Sir, this crash course is very because you took our 11th and 12th chapters, that why complete our revision and some hard topics concept clearly understood. Very sir, for teaching your concept are clear. You took the MCQs in exam. MCQs from the various type of methods are cleared, and I'm confidently your teaching very helpful for CET exam. Thank you, sir, for grateful teaching.
Hello, my name is Kaustubh Patil and I participated in the CET crash course conducted by KK Institute of Engineering, where Dr. GB Dabade sir conducted online sessions for all the subjects. I benefited a lot from this course during the COVID period, and it also cleared all my doubts in the respective subjects. I also understood the basic concepts which used to confuse me. The variety of sums taken by sir were very beneficial.